Okay guys, just realized that I forgot to show you the manual and CD. I read the description in the box and it was pretty clear that I had manual and CD, but for somehow I still managed to forget. So it came in the bottom. Let's just flip it. There you go. This is expansion card ThunderboltEX 4 user guide, ASUS E17815. Not sure what that means. Right at the beginning, you'll see the CD and 3810 ASUS in search of incredible. I guess nothing crazy to worry about. Intel Thunderbolt support DVD revision 829.01 says multi-language installation. I don't know, it's too hard to open. Let's see, probably not. The first video was very long anyway, so I don't feel it's much of an issue. I'm amazed by the fact that ASUS still includes this. It's like, how do you even use this? 99, if not more, percent of people don't have a CD reader, but yeah, there you go. It says support Windows 10. There's a barcode, DVD-ROM. This DVD runs automatically if auto run is enabled. Otherwise, run as setup.exe from the bin folder. And this has copyright as of 2021. ASUS Tech Computer, all rights reserved. Well, I guess you can read the rest. And there's maybe you want that to see better. Those get battery shown up. Multi-language installation guide, and you'll see all the languages: English, Deutsch, Francais, Italiano, etc. Okay, that's all there is to it. Let's move on to the user guide before I run out of battery. This this is the warranty information. And let's see where's a language that I can understand. For example, there's Spanish here, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Okay, how about instead of I don't know, I don't see English anywhere. Okay, ASUS guarantee information. It comes in a dozen languages. ASUS guarantee information. ASUS offers a voluntary manufacturer's commercial guarantee. ASUS reserves the right to interpret the. Sorry for my hand shaking. I can help with that. ASUS reserves the right to interpret the provisions of the ASUS commercial guarantee. This ASUS commercial guarantee is provided independently and in addition to the statutory legal guarantee, and in no way affects or limits the rights under the legal guarantee. For all the guarantee information, please visit asus.com/support. Good. And you'll see the more barcodes, QR, and the same message but in many different languages. This is a black and white picture of the expansion card. Even shows the cooling, I guess it is. And let me put this CD elsewhere. And you should see something similar if you download this guy from ASUS's website. E17815, this is the first edition. So this comes from January 2021. I assume many things have changed since then, since it's been almost 5 years. And this is copyright 2021, ASUS Tech Computer Inc., all rights reserved. Not gonna read that, but I think you can see it in the video, so if you want to pause the video and read it. Like, what I like is to show you the contents, but I'm not gonna read the whole thing because the video gets more boring than it already is. It says, welcome, features, package contents. If any of the above items is damaged or missing, contact your retailer. In this case, Amazon Mexico. And this video is already 6 minutes long. Okay, this isn't helping much. The light. The specification summary. This, I think, this is pretty much the same details we observed in the box. Specifications are subject to change without notice. Core layout, connectors, both internal and external. Most of this you've already seen in the box, and this you really can, even if you don't buy this product, you can just go to the ASUS official website. Installing the ThunderboltEX 4 card. If you have any doubts when installing the product, it's strongly advised to check this out. Hold on a second. There you go. I'm gonna have to. Okay. Yep. So that's this page. I hate the fact that my hand is shaking so much. This is this covers daisy chaining. The top says, before connecting any Thunderbolt-enabled devices in a daisy chain configuration, ensure that it is equipped with one Thunderbolt in port and one Thunderbolt out port. Okay. The 3 Thunderbolt devices. In this configuration, you can only, each monitor or display will run at up to 4K. Installing the ThunderboltEX 4 driver. One could think that installing the drivers is the first thing you do, but well, I'll show you. FCC compliance information. Not sure if this will show up in ASUS's website, but I hope it does. Compliance statement of Innovation, Science and Economic Development Canada. Let me see. Okay, maybe this is much better. And this is for Japan compliance statement, Korea warning statement. So again, all compliance and regulatory information that needs to be disclosed, so it can be sold in all regions in the world, or many regions in the world. I think that's pretty enough. And there's declaration of hazardous substances. I don't remember what ROHS means, but it's related to hazardous substances. And there's a regional notice for California, cancer and reproductive harm. And this is ASUS Tech Inc. hereby declares that this device is in compliance with the essential requirements and other relevant provisions of related directives. Full text of EU Declaration of Conformity is available at www.asus.com/support, and that comes in a bloat of languages, not only the first languages you saw, but also Svenska, Slovensky, and etc. Norsk, Polski, so that will be Norwegian, Polski, from Latvia, lots of languages, many from Europe. There's warranty, and this is like the same thing you saw in the beginning. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you. And this is very small text. And there's another QR with the, I guess this is exclusive for Mexico or for, yep, either Mexico or Brazil, I'm not quite sure, because it's in between the Spanish language for Mexico and the Portuguese for Brazil. But and ASUS contact information, there's one for like general, like global. There's for Computer International America. There's one for Germany and Austria. There's one for UK. Service and support. ASUS in search of incredible. More logos from the FCC. These I don't know, but it's a barcode, and it's let me change that, and there you go. So it's just the user guide and warranty information. I hope you enjoyed the video, or I hope it's useful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.